and what Mr. Nicholas Byengoma and his family delivered to us.
The family of a known businessman and proprietor of Arcadia Lodges, Nicholas Byengoma, together with his friends, has donated medical equipment to Rugarama Hospital in Kabale district. The medical equipment included 40 delivery beds, 40 mattresses, 40 dining tables, 10 baby cots, 5 baby incubators, 2 baby warmers, 40 bedside cupboards, and 2 sophisticated operating tables for the hospital.
Incubators are very vital for premature children.
Byengoma revealed insights about this donation on the 23rd of December 2023 while he was handing over a brand new ambulance to the hospital. Handing over the medical equipment to the Bishop of the Diocese of Kigezi, Right Reverend Gada Kajina, the overseer of Rugarama Hospital, at the ceremony held at the hospital grounds in Northern Division of Kabale Municipality, Byengoma said that the equipment was secured by his family friends to help in improving health services at the hospital.
I used to worry so much every time I saw a patient from Rugarama, from Kigezi, from Kora, from Nyamiringa, bamwegwira umugozi kongori kureba koratirwe abantu nka 30 kandi bene na n'obushera wo kugenda baranywa bamuhekera habwo bushera. This is what I could read. It was a bit of a bother. That's why when we talked to our friends, we said, how can we live? How can we promote Kigezi?
However, he challenged the people of Kigezi to maintain a manageable family size to afford their health. Byengoma also urged the people to refrain from alcoholism if they aim to live a long, healthy life without disease.
I wanted also to ask the DHO to see and the bishop whether we can have a debate in the churches. How much does it cost a parent to get a baby, to raise that baby to finish university at about 22 years? How much do we need for his health care? Maybe this can also scare these Machiga who are producing so many children. He who was lucky, who had never gone to the hospital until I became 75 years old. But the reason was that I was not taking alcohol. But those brothers of mine who would be in bars every evening, every other week they're in the hospital. So this is also a warning to those who are always on the counter that behave like Byengoma, who never slept on a hospital bed until he was 75 years old.
Bishop Akajuna commended the family for supporting health services in the district and asked the hospital administrators to ensure they take good care of the equipment.
Of Diocese of Kigezi, and on my own behalf, I want to appreciate you together with your family members. You stretch your hand and touch someone. You don't know whom you have touched, but there are people that you've touched. Those who come here seeking good health, you've touched many lives. And that's what awakens God. When you touch someone, you uplift. He reminded
the people to always lend a helping hand where they can. He also charged the health workers to fulfill their roles as required, urging them not to divert from their responsibilities.
We are going to receive this equipment. Equipment for those people. This equipment is meant for those people, for the prematures, for the sick people, for those who are going to deliver. Don't say push when it is not time. Don't delay to say push when it is time. Push. Hallelujah.
Dr. Gilbert Mateka, the Kabale District Health Officer, expressed gratitude to Byengoma and his friends for their generous donation of equipment to the hospital. He revealed that the donated equipment will significantly enhance the facility's ability to care for the patients and is optimistic that it will contribute to reducing the overall cost of services at this hospital. Dr. Mateka urged the hospital staff to utilize the equipment efficiently and profitably.
Thank you so much for this donation, and indeed hope that the hospital management will use this and others to make sure that they continue to live up to their mission of private, not-for-profit, meaning they offer services at subsidized rates to our communities who may not afford such a quality of care if it was to be given at the charge it deserves. So we thank you. We thank you, the donating family.
Dr. Esther Taremwa, the medical superintendent for Rugarama Hospital, expressed gratitude for this generous act, saying that it will assist the community's health and well-being.
Be responsible for the items we're receiving today, and it's very important that they're here with us today to receive them, to witness them being commissioned, and to appreciate really the effort, to appreciate the heart that has been put in to giving us this equipment. We all know Rugarama Hospital. We offer all medical services from medical, surgical, pediatrics, and maternal services. So when we see incubators, when we see theater beds, when we see ward beds, when we see baby cots, for us as medical, we're already seeing purpose, we're seeing use, we're seeing fulfilling our given desire to serve for the glory of God.
The Byengoma family has a long-standing tradition of donating medical equipment to health centers, and they remain dedicated to supporting the health department in the future. Norbert Ngemachi for Kigezi Television.